My name's Dan Kurlock. I'm here with Cirrus LED at the TD SYNNEX booth at InfoComm, and excited to walk everybody through a little bit of our hardware and our software. So we manufacture outdoor displays. We have the longest automated line on the planet for making DV LED hardware up in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. It's a modular system that's made up of 1 by 2 foot, we call Lego blocks, so you can build in any increments 1 foot high or 2 feet wide, as small or as big as you can imagine. And we're super proud of the hardware we make up in New England. But we want people to think of us more as a marketing technology company, where there's 50 other vendors here with a bunch of blinky lights, and we're very proud of our blinky lights. But this is more helping end users leverage their amazing outdoor display with marketing tools that optimizes the content to base who's driving by or who's walking in the business. So as an example here, through our marketing tech stack, and one thing to mention, everything is proprietary. This is our hardware we make in New Hampshire. It's our control system. It's our CMS called ScreenHub. Everything we do is vertically integrated. And to kind of go back to the marketing stack, we're able to optimize that content, as I was mentioning, based on the cars driving by and the people walking in. So we have a car tracker that's able to identify make and model and even license plate retargeting. And then a people counter that can count ins and outs. And what this does is coordinates an opportunity to create a play. So a play is ability for, let's say, the Chevy dealership to say, hey, I want to target Ford cars. So my play is going to be, anytime a Ford SUV approaches my sign, play this ad, hey Ford driver, $2,000 off a new Chevy SUV. Now your content is now being optimized for that Ford SUV hitting a competitor. And the cool thing about this, with the people counter as a part of the ecosystem, you can run A/B tests. So the people counter will indicate which ad set's driving more foot traffic inside the business, and it'll start to rank the content, which ad sets are more effective, remove the ones that are not effective, and replace the ads of the ones that are driving that foot traffic more consistently. We're just launched a content grader as well, where anything that the customer's making, the content will be ranked in real time to know which ad set you want to be kind of trying out and testing. And then further down the road, we'll be adding an image generator where the system could be automated, creating content, ranking content, optimizing content, so that end user can focus on running their business, not managing their display. So super cool. Hardware we make in New Hampshire, software that's automatically deploying content at scale and optimizing that content so you could truly generate a return on investment with the Cirrus LED display. If you want to learn more, you can visit cirrusled.com, and excited to help people learn more what we do and how we do.